Once a year, place a sponge inside the shower hose. A plumber taught me this trick. It's the best way to keep your shower working for many years. First, unscrew the hose from the shower head. To do this, loosen the nut at the very end. You can do it by hand. At first glance, you'll notice that limescale and sludge accumulate inside. Next, prepare a regular kitchen sponge. This will be the secret tool needed for this trick. Using scissors, cut off a piece of the sponge. It's important that it's thin. Remove the rough side and trim the edges to make it as thin as possible. Place it in a small bowl and pour vinegar over it. Vinegar has descaling and cleaning properties. Let it soak for a few seconds. Now, push the soaked sponge inside the shower hose. Use a stick to help fit it all the way in. Then, reattach the hose to the shower and turn on the water. The water pressure will push the sponge through, flushing out all the built-up limescale and dirt that has accumulated over the years. These are the particles that usually come out with the water during showers. This sponge trick will clean the hose thoroughly. Limescale, dirt, and even mold can also build up in the shower head. To remove it, put a tablespoon of baking soda inside the shower head, then pour in a little vinegar. Prepare a sealed bag and pour in 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of warm water. Place the shower head inside and tie the bag securely, ensuring it is fully submerged in the liquid. The chemical reaction will cause the limescale to detach from the surface. Leave it for half an hour. After this time, you'll see floating bits of limescale in the bag. Reattach the shower head to the hose and run the water to flush out any remaining dirt. With this simple method, you'll deep clean your shower. Limescale won't build up as quickly, and your shower will last much longer. Do you know what baking soda can be used for in the shower? I use its properties not only for baking cakes. With this simple baking soda mixture, not only will your shower sparkle, but you'll also enjoy a longer-lasting cleanliness without the need for frequent cleaning. I'll show you that just 1 packet of baking soda will help you get rid of stubborn stains and save a lot of money. Pour the baking soda into a container. Add a bit of dishwashing liquid. Pour a portion of dishwasher rinse aid and the same amount of apple cider vinegar. Pour about half a liter of water over all the ingredients and mix. Foam will be created, which will disappear after a while. Once all the ingredients are mixed, take it to the bathroom. Close the drain in the sink and pour the mixture. Take a sponge, soak it, and start cleaning the shower door, especially the chrome handles. Clean the glass on the door and the remaining walls of the shower cabin thoroughly. Also, clean the shower faucet. All streaks and dullness caused by water and soap scum will come off. Then rinse everything with water. You'll see the results quickly. The water will flow down the glass without leaving deposits and streaks. All spots and lime from the water will disappear and won't reappear as quickly. You won't have to clean the entire shower so often. It will be shiny and clean for much longer. The mixture will leave a protective layer on the glass, and you'll have time for other pleasures. Drop this powder into the toilet bowl. It will remove stubborn residue and limescale. Without chlorinated and harmful chemicals, you'll get rid of stains and dirt. Cleaning the toilet has never been so simple. You no longer need to ventilate the bathroom during cleaning to get rid of harmful bleach fumes. This powder will tackle a dirty toilet much faster. Prepare a few powdery products, and the residue in the toilet will disappear. Start with regular flour. Flour adheres well to dirt, making it easier to remove. Our grandmothers already used its cleaning properties. Put 3 tablespoons of flour into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt acts as an antiseptic, disinfectant, and abrasive. Add a little baking soda. It has disinfecting, whitening properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. In a few seconds, you'll make a super powder for cleaning dirt. Before cleaning the toilet, first spray its surface with plain water. Then sprinkle the dirt with this powder. Wait about 20 minutes. After this time, take a brush and scrub the toilet. You'll see that the dirt will come off quickly. The toilet will be cleaner than ever. This breaks down toilet scale better than a hammer. With this cheap method, you'll get rid of it once and for all. Prepare a glass container and add 100 milliliters of dish soap, which effectively dissolves grease and dirt. Then, add 1 tablespoon of table salt. which has abrasive properties and helps break down tough deposits. Now, pour in 300 milliliters of vinegar, one of the most powerful natural cleaning agents. Mix everything vigorously to combine the ingredients well. The combination of salt and vinegar is a real powerhouse against scale buildup. Now, transfer the mixture into an empty dish soap bottle for easier application. Thoroughly pour it over the scale in your toilet and leave it for a few hours or overnight. During this time, the mixture will work intensively, dissolving even the most stubborn deposits. Flush the toilet, and that's it. The scale disappears and your toilet looks like new. You'll never have to scrub tough stains and limescale again. Place the shower head into a plastic bag. For this trick, you'll need a regular plastic bag. Put it in the sink and fold it to form a pouch. Then grab some toothpaste and squeeze a generous amount into the bag. Add baking soda on top of the toothpaste and pour in about 300 milliliters of vinegar. You'll notice a chemical reaction happening. This clever use of natural ingredients works wonders. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a nice scent. It's an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. Tie the bag around the shower head, making sure it's fully submerged in the liquid. Leave it for 30 minutes, and you'll find the bag filled with bits of limescale. The mixture of these ingredients helps break down tough limescale deposits. This simple method will deeply clean your shower, preventing limescale buildup and extending the life of your equipment. Plus, it's inexpensive and easy to make at home. With this cleaning method, limescale won't build up on your faucet for up to 3 weeks. Using a dishwasher rinse aid, you can easily remove accumulated limescale and residue. Limescale and buildup on faucets and shower heads are common issues, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high concentrations of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which leave stubborn stains and streaks on surfaces. Regular cleaning and proper care are key to tackling this problem. The solution? Dishwasher Rinse Aid. Applying this product to faucets and shower heads is a quick and effective way to remove buildup and achieve gleaming surfaces. Its acidic formula breaks down tough stains, while its protective properties help prevent dirt and limescale from forming again. To use, simply apply a small amount of rinse aid to a cloth or sponge and gently polish the surface. The rinse aid not only removes limescale and residue, but also leaves a protective coating that keeps surfaces cleaner for longer. With this method, your faucet and shower head will shine like new. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and a polished look in your bathroom. This pink liquid is a real miracle. Cleaning the house has never been so enjoyable. Take a glass jar and pour in 100 milliliters of alcohol. Then add 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, which is commonly known as hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a disinfectant, while the alcohol helps evaporate moisture, preventing streaks. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Finally, pour in 3 cups of water to dilute the solution. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Gently shake the bottle to mix the ingredients thoroughly. This pink cleaner is excellent for tackling stubborn limescale in bathrooms. It works well on countertops, bathroom surfaces, and even glass. It provides effective cleaning while being gentle on surfaces.